Hi, it's again stcherniak in Berlin Immobilien, and today I want to talk to you about the taxes paid by the seller if he sells the residential property in Germany. First of all, let's come back. Normally in Germany, the buyer pays to the notary. It's approximately 1.5% of the purchase price, and the buyer pays the purchase tax. Depending on the federal land, it's minimum 3, maximum 6.5%. The brokerage fees normally are divided between the buyer and the seller 50-50. It's also depending on the federal land, 1.5 to 3% plus VAT on each part. So what does the seller pay himself or herself? First of all, the seller pays for the erasing the notes about him in the land registry, a Grundbuch. It's approximately minimum 200 to maximum, as I know, 1,000 euros, depending on how many lines are written about you in the land registry. Normally it's approximately 200 euros, maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more. If you own the property for less than 10 years, if you're owning the rental property for less than 10 years, you will pay so-called speculation tax. And the size of the speculation tax goes in line with the income tax that you normally pay in Germany. It's approximately between 15 and 45%. Very big difference. It makes sense to ask your bookkeeper before you sell the property. If you have lived in the property yourself, or a member of your family lived in the property him herself for 3 consecutive years, you will also not pay the speculation tax. For example, if you sell the property on the January 1st, 2022, and you have lived in the property for the whole year of 2021, and at least one day of 31st of December 2020, you will not pay the speculation tax. If you got the property, if you inherited the property or got it presented to you by somebody, you also inherit the speculation relation from the giver, from the person who inherited it to you. For example, your grandmother has died in the property and the property has been lived by her less than 3 years, you will pay speculation tax. Or the property has been rented by her for less than 10 years, you will pay speculation tax. If not, not. If you lose money selling the property, the money you lose can be recalculated with your gains, with your general gains in the same calendar year in Germany. There is one more thing to pay attention to, is frontier of 3 objects. In Germany, a private handler of the real estate is allowed to make 3 transactions every 5 years. So, for example, if you sell a house that is that consists of 4 or more flats, you are selling 4 properties or more. If you bought 2 flats in the previous years and now sell one of these flats or another flat, it's 2 real estate transactions. So if you make more than 3 real estate transactions in 5 years, you are considered to be a commercial handler, and you will pay the corporate tax of 19%. If you have questions, ask us, subscribe to our channel, give us likes, and share this news.
Thank you very much, Sergei Chernik, Berlin Immobilien. Bye.